This is the discussion component for George Orwell's 1984. We're talking about Chapter 1, Paragraph 1. We have 4 interesting words in this paragraph: nuzzle, vile, swirl, and gritty. In the second line, it says that Winston Smith, his chin nuzzled into his breast. This is the breast area, and the word nuzzle means to move your nose or your mouth up against something like this. So if it's a cold day, you may nuzzle your jacket up against your nose. The word nuzzle is kind of a cute, sweet word. So if you have somebody who loves you, you may nuzzle with them. This is nuzzling. In the third line, it says that it was in an effort. He was nuzzling himself against his breast in an effort to escape the vile wind. The word vile means horrible, evil, awful, unpleasant. So that was a wind that was doing horrible things to him. Now, a good way to remember the word nuzzle is to think of the word nose. Nose, nuzzle. And a really good way to think of the word vile, or to remember the word vile, is to think of the word evil. In the fifth line, it says that though not quickly enough to prevent a swirl of gritty dust from entering along with him. The word swirl is like a circular motion. It's like the motion that you see behind me. That's what swirl means. Finally, in the same line as swirl, we have the word gritty. Quickly enough to prevent a swirl of gritty dust from entering along with him. The word gritty kind of means dirty, but the kind of dirt that has little pieces of sand or little stones in them or something. Something rough. Something of a very rough texture like the one that you see behind me. Okay, we've learned 4 new vocabulary words. Just in paragraph 1, we've got nuzzle, vile, swirl, and gritty. Now would be a really great time to listen to that reading again. I've left a little link right down here at the bottom of the screen. Just press that, listen again, try to hear those words, try to think about their meaning while you're listening. You might have to listen a couple more times, but eventually you'll get it. If you found this useful, I'd love it if you'd hit the like button, and if you want more, definitely hit the subscribe button. There's more coming, and I will see you again in Chapter 1, Paragraph 2.